Hey everyone, today we'll talk about mean stack. What is mean stack? So let's get started. You must have heard this mean stack from either friends or while reading through internet or if you are studying in your college. So mean stack stands for M stands for MongoDB, which works at the database layer. E stands for ExpressJS, which works at the backend web framework. A for Angular, which is the front-end web framework, and for Node.js backend runtime environments. So Mean Stack is a JavaScript-based framework for developing web applications. So Mean is named after MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. These are the main four technologies that works with Mean. There are variations to the Mean Stack such as Moon, which is replacing Angular with React.js, and MVVM using Vue. The Mean Stack is one of the most popular technology concepts for building web applications. So apart from Mean, we have LAMP stack as well. I'll show you the difference between these two in later. But let's see now what is the workflow, how it works. So whenever a client or as a user, when you request, first of all it goes to Angular, and then that request is passed to a node, and then it goes to Express.js, and if there is a database connection or database, if you need to fetch any data, then it goes to MongoDB layer. From there it returns it returns to the database, and then it returns to the node, and through Angular it displays to the client. So every layer redirects to the next layer, and while returning it redirects to the previous layer, the data. Now sometimes people get confused between mean stack and full stack. So in mean stack, as I said, we only cover MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. But in full stack, like at the UI layer, we have HTML, we have jQuery, Knockout.js, Angular, React. Then we have at the middle layer we have Node, ASP, PHP, Java, .NET, and then the database layer it can have. In full stack we can have MongoDB, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and various other technologies as well. And it also involves Jenkins, Git, at CI/CD layers, and then the Docker, AWS, and all. Okay, so mean stack, don't get confused between mean stack and full stack. Also, don't get confused between mean stack and LAMP stack, because the LAMP has Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. There are various differences, such as at operating system level, LAMP stack supports Linux, and mean stack supports cross-platform. At the database layer, mean stack has non-relational database support, which is MongoDB, and LAMP supports MySQL, which is a relational database. And then at the front-end layer, mean stack has JavaScript and backend, and LAMP has JavaScript backend and front-end both. Structure-wise, LAMP is faster, and then support-wise also different companies support different mean stack. Okay, Mean is supported by Google as well, and LAMP supported by Linux Foundation. So Mean applications can be used in many ways with a cross-platform write-once approach, while Mean is particularly suited for real-time applications, particularly those running natively in the cloud or single-page web applications. Since all the components are based on JavaScript and JSON, the integration between the components of the stack is intuitive and straightforward. Now there are disadvantages as well, like it is based on JavaScript framework. So JavaScript is a great modern language, but it was initially designed to build backend servers. It was not initially designed for backend servers, but in Mean we use that as a backend. Additionally, since the development opportunity is so rapid, business and server logic might suffer from poor isolation, making potential spaghetti code and bad practices a really long way. Finally, although there are many guides and tutorials out there, they generally will not include concrete JS coding guidelines appropriate for the stack. So there are advantages, there are disadvantages. Main advantage is like all the components are open source. So really, if you want to learn more on web development, you can choose Mean stack for your web application development. So this is Jiten from Software Circle. If you have any question or query related to Mean stack, do write to us in the comment section. Thank you so much.